Today we are looking at the English collocation, make a decision. Now that you have gathered information, it's time to make a decision. Today's goal, learn how to use make a decision naturally and confidently. I'm Dr. Priscilla with Speak Excellent English. Let's take a look at the meaning of make a decision. When we make a decision, we choose what you are going to do. I want you to practice with me the collocation, make a decision. Ready? Make a decision. Repeat. Make a decision. Let's take a look at 3 sample sentences with make a decision. I need to make a decision before Friday. She made a difficult decision about her career. We should make a decision together. Now repeat after me. Make a decision. I need to make a decision before Friday. She made a difficult decision about her career. We should make a decision together. Now let's do a quick assessment. Answer in the chat, A, B, or C. I need to A, make a decision before choosing a new job. B, I need to do a decision before choosing a new job. Or C, I need to create a decision before choosing a new job. Place your answer A, B, or C in the chat. Great job, everybody. The correct answer is A. I need to make a decision before choosing a new job. Now it's your turn. I want you to write a complete sentence in the chat using the collocation, make a decision. You will have 10 seconds. Great job, everybody. Now you have yet another collocation to add to your wheelhouse. You've learned this useful collocation, and I hope to hear you using it very, very soon. So let's not forget, practice is key to ongoing success.